Hi, this is Chris from Fanatical. What I briefly wanted to show you was just how to more easily do your monthly cost allocation calculations using flash reports. As you might recall, we have a formula-based approach that uses cell referencing in Excel that populates our formula that when we change any of those cells referenced, it initiates a new query to be passed over to QuickBooks Online. So one of the fields that we reference here is the period field. And so that would then, when we change that, it would pull in new values from QBO Online. In this allocation scenario, my company here wants to go and they want to allocate workers' compensation, so the specific account over here. But the basis of allocation needs to be these three accounts, and then for each of these departments and their total costs relative to the company's total cost for those three accounts. What I've just included here is just a very basic calculation, right? Just showing you just how the percentage is calculated. And then we'll use that percentage as the basis, right, to go and calculate, the amount to be allocated. So where the value of the software comes in is just now, for different periods, is because each of these cells now, right, they would reference my period value over there. And so then if I then go and change, right, my any period, at the moment I'm showing last year, but I can then go and change it. For example, let's have a look at last quarter, right? So there we can see the values immediately just refresh. So all of my actual values have refreshed. I've got new percentage amounts and I've got a new allocation amount. So that was last quarter. I can even maybe, we had it for last year, and then even maybe let's go and do it, right, and just look for it. Just for this quarter, just as well. Or, there we can see just this quarter. So that would be my calculation, right, for this quarter. So we can also do this. This is for departments, but we can also do it across projects as well. Exactly the same principle. But here now I've got a number of costs that are coming in. So let's say we want to do workers' compensation as well. But now I actually want to allocate that cost across various projects, i.e. customers, right? And so then what happens, but my allocation basis, I want it to be different. And here I want it to be based on three accounts but on a revenue basis. And so the same principle applies. So also using cell referencing, right? So to go and extract my actuals, but I can also just go and change my parameters there as well. There's my date, my report period. And as soon as I change my date, there to this quarter, for example, it immediately recalculates my rates for me. And I can even go, we've got last month in here as well. So let's just go and have a look. So currently there I'm recalculating now my rates, for last month. And then these are the amounts then that I would have to go and create journal entries for. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to you using Flash reports to do your cost allocation calculations.